Hi, I'm Sean Gann, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about simple and compound interest. Find the total value of the investment after the time given. If I was given this problem, $1,240 at 8% compounded annually for 2 years. All right? Well, I want to find or take from this the information that I need. My principal, first thing that's written there, $1,240, my starting amount. Interest rate as a decimal, 8% as a decimal, 0.08. Compounded annually represents our N. How many times do we compound that in a year? Compounded annually means 1 time per year. Now the number of years, 2. That's our time. With all that information, we just plug this into our formula for compound interest. $1,240 multiplied by 1 plus R, my interest rate as a decimal, 0.08, over N, number of times we're compounding in a year, to now the exponent power of that 1 times number of years, which is 2. This gives us an ending value of our investment here of $1,446.34. Quick recap, we're given $1,240 at 8% compounded annually for 2 years. With that right there, we found our we extracted